We're about to go ice skating.
I'm skating.
Are you excited? We're about to go ice skating. Are you excited? Let me see. Stand up. What's you wearing? Stand up. I'm like an old person. Ooh, you look so handsome. Why are you coming so close to the camera? Okay, be here. I'm being a punk though. Kyrie's with his coach, but
rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day,
so I'm in the middle of the ice. He's doing better than me. I haven't ice skated in like probably it has been a while. It hasn't been 10 years, but it has been a while. But I'm here. I'm here.
on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day.
So Kyrie just finished his lesson. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You did so well. Mommy's so proud of you. You had a good time?
I get time now.
Oh, good job. Good job. So we are done. Okay.
Hi, Buddha.
So
Yeah, you Buddha.
it's definitely something I gotta relearn. I'll probably gotta take lessons next time. This lesson was only fiery, so it was interesting to say the least. I haven't ice skated in a while, as I said before. So I gotta just, now that I got, you know, a child, I probably have to retake some lessons. Cause he was really good. He really loved it. It's really good for his gross motor skills. Because he had to, you know, keep himself up, or if he fell, he had to be able to get back up from on the ice. So I'll definitely take him back. I don't know if we'll make it back this winter per se, but I would definitely do it again. Definitely do it again. Okay. Well, you want to come back? Would you want to come back?
Yeah, I come back.
You want to come back? Okay, maybe we'll come back soon.